Hello children, once again we will learn about Python data frame in part 2. Here we will learn the different ways through which we can create a data frame. In the previous video I had discussed how can we create a data frame from series, how can we create data frame through a list. So here, see here, if we want to give a column name here, see here column name I have not given 0 1. So if I want to give a column name and here roll number, so how can we? So see here I have created one nested list D, and we want to assign column name, means in the place of 0 name will be there, in the place of 1 roll number will be there. So how can we? So let's see, I'm going to create D3 data frame, pd dot data frame, and here I think the name of this series is, the name of this list is D. So I'm going to pass D, and if you want to give the column name, so here you should use columns attribute. Which attribute you have to use? Column attributes, and then write the name of the column. So first I want to give name, and second I want to give roll number. And then press OK, and when we print D3, so now you can see the column name I have given here, name and roll. So in the place of 0 it is here name and here roll. See the previous one, 0 1. So if you want to give a column name, so what attribute you have to use? This column attribute you have to use. Which attributes you have to use? These column attributes. Okay, so now next we are going to learn how can we create a data frame from dictionary. डिक्शनरी से हम लोग डेटा फ्रेम कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, तो चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं। कमेंट बनाते हैं, creating a data frame from dictionary. So first we need, already I have imported the pandas, so no need to import. If you want to import once again, so no problem, import pandas as suppose P I want to use, so no problem. So first here we have to create a dictionary. So dictionary, how can we create a dictionary? So dictionary suppose DT हमें बनाना है, DT नाम का डिक्शनरी बनाना है. So ओके, और बेटर स्टूडेंट हम लेते हैं, स्टूडेंट नाम का जो है डिक्शनरी बनाते हैं. एंड डिक्शनरी बनाने का जो रूल है, वी यूज़ द कर्ली ब्रेसेस एंड 2 values will be here. One is called key. In this key I want to assign name, means suppose Ram, then Mohan, and then Sita. So in dictionary, just remember 2 values are there. The first one is called, this one is called keys, and the value of this keys is this Ram, Mohan, Sita, and you can see this is in this name keys, means the key is name and the value is in the form of list. So now how we can separate this one? By using comma. Next one I want to use a roll number. So next keys are roll. So now I'm going to assign roll. suppose 10, 20 and 12, 3 names are here, so 3 roll numbers I have given, and then closing of this curly braces. So now this is dictionary. This dictionary name is students, and 2 keys are here, name, roll number, and the values of name is Ram, Mohan, Sita, and all is 10, 20, 12. So now I'm going to create a data frame. Name is dt, and here we know I have imported this pandas as p, so here we cannot use pd. Here I have to use p dot data frame, and simply pass this dictionary. Simply just pass this dictionary. Now print dictionary is here. What? dt is the data frame, dictionary is here student. So simply just pass here dt, that is data frame, and see. So this is what dictionary I have created, not dictionary, sorry, I have created a data frame from dictionary. I hope this is clear to everyone. But one thing, remember, this data frame is created what? Via dictionary or from dictionary, and in this dictionary I have used what? List. Now next one that I'm going to discuss is creating a data frame from dictionary of series. अब हम लोग जो बात करने जा रहे हैं कि creating a data frame from dictionary of series. So how can we? So for that we need what? We need to create a series first. So I'm going to create a series. So suppose the variable I have taken, and here I'm going to create this p dot series. हम सब पढ़ चुके हैं कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं, and here we are going to pass name, पास करते हैं राम, मोहन, गीता, ये नाम हम लोग लिए हैं. ये जो बन रहा है दिस इज व्हाट, और सॉरी देयर इज अ मिस्टेक, एंड p डॉट सीरीज राम. यहाँ एक्चुअली यहाँ पर डॉट हो गया था जबकि कॉमा देना हुआ था, इसीलिए मिस्टेक आ गया. मोहन एंड देन गीता. Now and I have created, so this one is what, series. Now another series I'm going to create, that is English, p dot series, and here I'm going to pass the marks, suppose 40, 40 and 59. So this is marks in English, and now I'm going to create result. I'm going to create, that is df data frame. So how can we create? p dot data frame, and simply pass here. Here we can use and if we pass, so here it will display sorry, p dot, data frame f is small here, so once again I have to use. We will continue this thing in the next video.